Good afternoon. This video is to show you how to install a Resensys wireless strain SenSpot sensor onto a concrete structure. First, what you need is the SenSpot sensor, the SG401 adhesive and Teflon tape, which is included in the package, and a generic superglue, a washcloth, and any sharp-edged objects like scissors. First, you're going to wipe down your structure with the washcloth to remove any dust or debris that may be there. After that, you put your SenSpot sensor on in order to look at where the sensing element is going to go. Once you've decided where your sensing element is going to go, you are going to position the electronic component of the SenSpot sensor in a way that puts minimal stress on the cable. Keep in mind that the mounting object for the electronic component is a 2x3 inch flat surface, so on the structure you want to find a 2x3 inch flat surface to apply the electronic component. Once you have figured out where the electronic component is going to go, you take the generic superglue and you apply a generous amount to the surface. When you've done that, you take the electronic component and you put it on the structure and you apply a mild amount of force. Depending on relative humidity and temperature, this could take up to 5 to 7 minutes to cure properly. Once it has been attached, once it has been attached, you take your sensing element and you line up where it's going to go on the structure. You must first open the SG401 adhesive. We are going to use a pair of scissors, the sharp object, to do this. You just poke a hole in the top. And you must cut your piece of Teflon tape so that you have a smaller piece. This is where the sensing element is going to go. You apply a generous amount of the SG401 adhesive onto the surface. And you take your small piece of Teflon tape and spread the adhesive evenly over the surface. After that, you take your sharp-edged object and you remove the adhesive mask on the sensing element. Now you put the sensing element onto the structure, keeping in mind that you want the strain gauge to be as straight as possible. You can make it as straight as possible by smoothing out the edges as shown. This adhesive best works in a relative humidity of 30% or greater, and it should take a couple of minutes to cure. Thank you for watching the video.